Hi guys, today I'm doing a review of this electric spin scrubber brush. I did receive this in exchange for my honest opinion, but I used to have one of these and I loved it when I had it. I'm not sure what happened to it, so I'm excited to use this one. So when you first get it, you'll put these two pieces together. They just click together really easily. The next thing you'll want to do is decide which head attachment you want to put on. This one is the dome brush. This is good for cleaning like a shower, bathtub, toilet. You see what it looks like here on the back. It's very easy to attach it. This one right here is good for corners or grout or cleaning little small spaces. This one is your large flat brush. This is good for large areas. And then you have like this one right here has a sponge attached to it. This is good for like waxing your car, something like that. But you can just pull the sponge off. You have a second one and you have two of these green ones, which are good for scrubbing stains. It just Velcros on just like that. So now let's go ahead and take a look at how we use this. So again, the first thing you want to do is attach a cleaning head. It just snaps on. You have to line it up and then it just snaps into place right there. Then right here is your charging port. You would just use your cord right here to plug it in to charge it. It will give you a red light letting you know when it's charging and a green light when it's good to go. Here on the front is your power button. When you push it one time, it does a regular speed. You push it a second time and it goes faster. And then if you push it a third time, it turns it off. So I like how it has the two speeds with it. Right here, you push this and you can adjust the height of the brush. Let me go ahead and back it up a little bit now so you can see what it looks like when it's fully extended. I love that it has that option that it can adjust to different heights. That is very nice. So it also comes with an instruction book and a quick start guide. We'll go ahead and open this up here. You can see it's got very easy to understand instructions inside of there. So overall, this is a great spin brush. I'm excited to use this. Like I said, I've had one in the past, absolutely loved it. If you're looking for a cleaning brush that can make your life a little easier, then definitely check this one out.